I'm playing Hitman, and this is what happened. I had a glitch. It's hilarious. See if I can turn it in there. Look at this. This dude keeps following me, the security guard, and I'm in courthouse. Oops. And he's like right there, following my ass. It's hilarious. I'm like cracking up, like what? And he's following me too. Like look at this. Okay, I'm gonna try and keep this. I'm wearing the judge outfit, so as you can see. Let's see if I can turn it. Okay, I'm gonna walk around. And you're gonna follow me, right? Oh, fuck. Now look at this. Guess who's following me? This motherfucker. He's gonna stand right behind me too. That's the funny thing. Oh shit. Back camera. Put on that. Shit. Now, look at this motherfucker. He keeps following me though. Hey, what's up, man? Anywhere I go, he is. Look, he's always following me, dog. And I'm not even like it, like the instinct's not even like going off or anything, like that. The people are like being pissed off, and there. And then I walk in here, and watch this. I'm gonna get in here. Okay. Oh, now he does something. Wait. He's gonna get closer. How fucking close he is. But he's not like going off and getting mad though. That's the thing. Look at that. Fucking weirdo. He was really close last time. Alright, well, that's it. Funny. I'm gonna see if I can try and unglitch this shit. Alright, peace out. Bye.